Okay, and then other than polymer, we have also polyelectrolyte, which means the polymer also have charges on them. Polymers have charges on them. The viscosity would also decrease. Here I'm plotting viscosity versus PA, acrylic acid. It's still a polymer acid, so-called polyelectrolyte. Okay, what we observed is initially as we add more and more of this polyelectrolyte, the viscosity quickly drops due to the so-called electrosteric effect. I have more charge, at the same time the polymer covers provide the steric stabilization or entropy repulsion. Okay, and then it kind of reaches plateau. On the other hand, again, what happens? Too much polyelectrolyte leads to viscosity increase, because too much is like anything, it's not good. Too much is not very good. And you see the same thing. The higher the molecular weight, the higher you get too high the viscosity. Okay.